Raised beds, or planter boxes as they're commonly called today, are such a convenient way to add garden space wherever you have the room. And to make it easier, there are lots of kits out there these days, but I have a favorite way that costs about $15 for the main parts. And if you don't have the wood around the house somewhere, then a few more bucks, you get the wood too. And then you can be planting your food or your flowers or both in a matter of minutes and have a great way to do that. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how. If you want a sturdy planter bed or a raised bed that stays in place as long as you need it, but if you need to disassemble it and move it in a hurry, this is the perfect solution for you. The star of the show are these builder blocks. You can buy them at any box store for about $3 to $4. Get yourself 4 pieces of 2x6 or taller, cut to size, and slide them into place. It really is that easy. If you wanted to build them taller, you can stack them and insert a piece of rebar right through the center hole. But for now, we'll keep it short and sweet and get this bed ready to go. That's all there is to it. I use these planting beds all the time whenever I need some extra planting space or maybe a temporary nursery bed. But whatever the reason, this is such a versatile option whenever you want some extra planting space very quickly and for very little money.